Hey everybody, Bo here. Hey, check it out. I am so excited to share with you this 12 volt, 20 amp lithium battery charger by PORTA. And let's get into it. Hey, first off, this is really well built and has a nice little handle on it. On the side, you have an indicator. Red for charging, green for being already charged. This is a smart charger, so it has all the protections. It's not going to overcharge. It's not going to short circuit. It has all the protections that a battery managed system would have, and this is compatible with battery managed systems. So this will work not only on super and power batteries, but it will work on all lithium batteries. Hey, also, I do want to give full disclosure. I had some interactions with Super and Power after I bought my battery, and when I was downloading the app, I was having some issues, and I was giving them my feedback on my experience. I did tell them I was making a video about them, and they were nice enough to send me the charger to check out and to try out and to test out. So thank you to Super and Power for sending this to me. I am so excited to put it to work. It will charge a 100 amp hour battery in 5 hours, a 200 amp hour in 10, and a 300 amp hour battery, which what I have, 314, in 15. So we are going to see how long it takes to go from 62%, which took my solar panel, 100 watt solar panel, 18 days to go from 39% to 62%. Now we're going to take it from 62 to 100 and see how fast it'll go with a 20 amp charger. A couple things about this charger is the cords. This is 3.5 feet to the power, and then to the battery. You have a nice connector, a little pull to disconnect and connect, and then your battery hookups. And this hole from the unit to the battery is 5.5 feet. Let's get it hooked up. Let's see how fast it charges. Okay, gang, here's my installation. We got it going there to there. Then I have the charger going up. I have it mounted right here. It's pretty quiet for a charger. That's the fan. I don't know if you can hear it. And there's your indicator. I put it on the front there. I had to put a little extension cord on this because I was just like 2 inches short. 4 feet would have worked. Anyway, there you have it. Now we're going to take a look at the app, see what's going on. All right, right now it is 5:25, so 63%. We'll see how fast this goes. This is exciting. I am loving it. All right, let's do a little recap on this. We started off at 39% when I got the battery. I put it on a 100 watt panel that was only bringing in peak times about 1.46 amps. After 18 days, it got up to 63%. So it took 18 days to get up to 63%. I got the charger. At this point, I put the charger on and you can see it's bringing in 19.77 amps. And that was at 5:30 p.m. And then an hour later, it jumped up to 76%. And I may have a light on, so it's showing the amperage a little bit less, 19.09 amps. And then at 8:08 pretty much, 3 hours, less than 3 hours later, it hit 100%. And at that point, what happens is the charger just shuts down. So it only took 3 hours to go from 63% to 100%. That's pretty amazing. I think this is a must-have in your toolbox. You know, it gives you that other way to charge up your batteries. So overall, I'm very, very pleased with it. Now, I do want to tell you the next day, I went and hooked up the solar to it just to see what the solar panel and what it looked like. And it pretty much, the charger stayed off and it let the solar panel charge. So it is a smart charger. It has all kinds of battery management and protection in it. All right, well, that's it from here. Till next time, this is Bo. See ya!